2 winners to get $25 shop credit to my shop. Why not try it? I'm struggling a little bit this morning. Seriously took all day, but all the orders are done. And then we're gonna get back on track. I'm not a big pumpkin spice person, but good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Vlogtober Day number 5. It's gonna be a great day. So we just got back last night from our little vacation and it was such a good vacation, but I'm so tired this morning. You know how like when you're like traveling, you're tired. So I'm struggling a little bit this morning. I have a lot to do. I first need to finish editing the vlog that's supposed to go up today from before we left. And then we're gonna get back on track. But yeah, so much to do today. I've got several orders that came in over the weekend, so this is definitely gonna be a shop heavy vlog. So if you like those videos, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. But yeah, I have lots of orders that I'm gonna be working on today, so I've gotta like print stuff, cut stuff. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print the invoices and I'm gonna print any stickers that I need to cut later, and then I'm gonna go finish the vlog. I did most of the editing last night when we got home, but I was also tired, so it's just like I'll finish it in the morning. So that's what we're gonna do. I also need to look at my Notion. So I have to finish editing the vlog, do the thumbnail, upload the vlog, do the orders. I want to design the winter collections. I have an email that I need to get back to. I need to order inventory. I found a ton of cute stuff and I'm so excited about the stuff coming to the shop in the next couple of weeks. And then I want to film all the reels and TikToks for the week and then post today's to Instagram and TikTok and respond to comments. So I definitely have quite the to-do list today. Let's see if I can get it done. But like I said, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and print some stuff and then I will get into editing the video. Okay guys, it is now 12:45 and I have the video done, ready to go. I am printing the last little bit of stickers for some orders and then I'm going to be packaging everything up and showing you guys that, but I've literally just been sitting here printing and cutting, printing and cutting, printing and cutting, so there wasn't a whole lot of like new things to show you, but I will definitely show you guys when I'm packaging up all the orders. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys a package that I got because I'm so excited about it. I've been really getting back into Nespresso, so I ordered some Nespresso pods and I'm gonna go show you guys. Okay, so here are the ones that I got. I got this one, I believe this is the name of it, And this is just a little espresso pod, so it's like smaller. I used that this morning. It actually has a really nice flavor and I really liked it, so that was fun. And then I got this one, and I don't remember why I got this one, like what the flavor was. Maybe it says on here. No, I don't know. Anyway, but I got this one to try, so I can't wait to try that. And then I got the pumpkin spice cake one. I'm not a big pumpkin spice person, but I really wanted to try it, see if it was good or not. You know, it's seasonal, so I figured why not try it. So yeah, this is what I got from Nespresso. I'm really excited. I love the espresso, and I just have to try these too. But you guys know, like when I start collecting something, like I just go all in. So I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited for them to release their winter things, because I remember last year watching a bunch of people, they had like a peppermint one, and I really want that one. And I also want to get the like advent calendar for this, for Nespresso, because that just looked like so much fun last year. So yeah. Also, I got this new mug. Relatable, right? But they put stickers in the mug, so I'm gonna have to take lemon essential oil and get that up, so that way I can get rid of the stickers and I can use this tomorrow. But yeah, how cute is that? So right now, I think I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, of like some green tea or something, just as a little afternoon pick-me-up, and then I'm gonna continue to work on these orders. I had planned to stop around noon, but I'm so close to being done with all of them, so I may as well just finish them and then focus on designing a lot tomorrow. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then if I have time later today to design, I will, but I'm gonna focus on getting these orders done, ready to go, and yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna make some tea now. Okay, so I made myself some tea. I'm gonna knock out these orders. My goal is to have everything done, packaged by like 2:30. And then I need to film all the Instagram and TikTok reels. Instagram reels and TikToks. I want to film all of them for the week. So that's my goal. And then obviously edit and upload the one for today. So I also need to find a kit that I want to use. I could just use one of my own, but I don't really have fall ones out. I kind of got a little behind on designing the daily duo kit. Anyway, so yeah, I just need to do orders, the Instagram reels, and then maybe design. Yeah, it's just a pretty chill day of like orders and just heavy on the sticker shop stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy the behind the scenes. I think I mentioned this earlier, but I also need to place an order for some inventory. We sold out of the mermaid pins like super quickly, so I want to get more of those. There's some other pins from that supplier that I want to put in my shop. There's more washi, and I think another notepad. I think there's like pins, washi, and a notepad, I think. So there's just a bunch of stuff, and I'm really excited about this. I also have, let me show you guys, over in that little cubby, right there, there's a ton of new washi that's coming to the website this Friday. So what day is that? October 8th. It's coming to the website, and I'm really excited about that. I feel like more and more people are starting to find the shop with like washi and notepads, and it just has me so excited because I love getting those things. I love supporting other business owners, and I love being able to like have a bunch of different things in my shop for you guys. So it's just like a win-win situation, and it makes me really happy. So that's all going up on the website on Friday, as well as whatever stickers I can get designed this week. And then all the stickers will go over on Etsy as well. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan for the day. That's the plan for the week. Lots of sticker related content this week. My goal for the month is to put up new releases every single Friday. Normally I do every other Friday, but my goal this month is to do every Friday. So I'm letting you guys know so you can hold me accountable and be like, new releases, gotta have them up on Friday. Even if it's just like 1 or 2 kits. I want to just keep putting stuff out there because that is a good thing to constantly put out new stuff. So but yeah, my whole point to this was I need to order the inventory because I want it to get here by next Friday so I can restock and like add new stuff to the collection or whatever. So yeah, I'm pumped. I'm so excited about it. Okay guys, I just finished cutting all the orders. It is almost 3 o'clock. I really thought that it would not take me this long, but it did. So there's that. I might just make tomorrow my design day and just design everything tomorrow, not focus on it today, because I still have to film all the Instagram reels and TikToks, which Instagram is down right now. So I'm just like, do I even want to bother? I mean, yes, I do, because eventually it's going to come back up and I can post it. But seriously. Anyway, so now I'm going to start packing up all of the orders and getting them ready to go to the post office. We have to pick up Dixie tonight, so on our way to go pick her up, I figured I could drop all of these in the post office box and get them out to you guys. So that's really, really exciting. I had more orders than I was expecting to get while I was out of town. So that's why it took me a little bit longer today. I normally don't have this many orders because I just kind of do them as they come in. And I'm not one of those shops that gets like hundreds and hundreds of orders a day. I would love to one day have that, but like right now that's just, you know, not the case. But I'm happy with every order that I get. And I'm happy that like there were so many orders that came in this weekend. I just wasn't prepared for it. I wasn't expecting it. But yeah, so I'm going to set everything up. I'm going to pack up all these orders and get them done, and you guys can watch them. Okay, this seriously took all day, but all the orders are done. Thank goodness. So it is like 3:30 and James apparently is getting off at 4. I thought 5 for some reason, so I thought I had more time to get everything done. But I don't, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to film the Instagram reel for today and get that done, and then maybe tomorrow do like just batch film everything. But honestly, I'm like, maybe I just shouldn't film today at all because Instagram is still not working. It has been down all day. And so I kind of just think maybe I should wait until tomorrow and maybe do 2 tomorrow instead of just 1. I don't know. That might be what I do, because honestly, I don't want to feel rushed doing it. So I think I'm going to just do it tomorrow. Especially since, I mean, if Instagram was up and running, then I might, but it's not. It's messed up. So yeah. We're gonna leave here in a little bit to go pick up Dixie. I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in almost a week, and I miss her so much whenever I'm like not with her. So I'm excited about that. We have to like figure out the grocery situation, because we went to the grocery store last night, just picked up what we needed for tonight, or for last night and then part of today, but I need to sit down and make a grocery list and like actually figure out my life, get my life back in order. So I think we're gonna do that. But yeah, my work day is over. I got the most important part done, and that was doing the orders, but oh my goodness, they took literally forever. Like I think I started them at 9:30 because I edited and uploaded the vlog first thing this morning. So that took up the first part of my morning, but I think I worked on these orders from like 9:30 to like now. So 9:30 to 6 hours. It's insane. So I don't even know why it took me so long, to be honest. Like I sat here and I cut everything, and I don't know. Some days it just seems to take longer than I expect it to, but oh well, that's okay. The important thing is they're done. They're going to the post office. Thank you guys so much for your support and your orders. It really does mean a lot to me, and I hope you enjoy all of your stickers and all of your goodies and everything like that. I think that I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here because I wanna be able to mostly edit it tonight, and get that up, so that way I can kind of get back into the groove, especially since now I have to like film it, edit it, upload it the next day, whereas the first part of Vlogtober I was like doing all the pre-filming and editing, so I didn't have to stress as much when editing it, but now I do. So I think I'm not going to do this every Vlogtober day, but I think for today I am going to end the vlog a little early, so that way I can make sure that I get it all done, because I don't want to have to spend a good chunk of my morning working on it. I want to just be able to get everything designed, get everything ready to go for later this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this heavily shop related vlog. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Oh, also, I'm gonna let you know this in this vlog, but I'm doing a fun little giveaway. So if you watch all 31 Vlogtober videos and you leave a comment, I'm gonna take your name and I'm gonna like put it in a like thing. I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but like, you know, random generator thing, and pick out 2 winners to get $25 shop credit to my shop. So if you guys are interested in anything in my shop and getting shop credit for it, make sure that you watch these videos and you leave some comments down below. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another new vlog. Bye guys.